A lion has been spotted in Tuala, Ongata Rongai, raising fresh concerns about human-wildlife conflict. In another video that has caught waves on social media, a lioness was captured by a CCTV camera attempting to jump over a residential fence. Lions, which are not an uncommon phenomenon in Ongata Rongai, have made the area very insecure at night. Recent cases of lions feeding on domestic dogs have been reported across the region. It looks like residential areas are becoming new hunting grounds for wild animals. Kenya Wildlife Service should step in and do something at this point.